Hi, this is Matt Kastner with another WordPress and Divi tutorial. So sometimes you want to create navigation that will allow the user to go from one part of the page to another. We're pretty familiar with the menu navigation, which goes from page to page. But if you want to link to a section or a place on your web page that's further down, there's an easy way to do that inside of Divi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pull open my page here, and I've got a couple of sections down below. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Visual Builder. And if you'll notice at the top here, I have a menu. And I have a menu that is actually going to help me connect to some of the sections that are here inside my page. But what we're going to do first is we're going to name some of the sections. So if you want to, let's say, drive some traffic down here to this section called Design Workshops, we're going to come over to the section, click on the gear icon, go to the Advanced tab, and under CSS ID and classes, we're going to add an ID. So I'm just going to type the word workshops, okay? And I'm going to save the change. All right. Now, if I want to drive traffic down here to this workshop, I'm going to have to create a link. Okay. So up here, I've got a bulleted list with my tools and resources, and I'm just going to open that up. And we're going to go into the editor, and I'm going to highlight design workshops. Then I'm going to go up to the hyperlink insertion tool, and I'm going to use the ID that I used on the section just a second ago, but we're going to declare that using the pound sign. Okay, so the hashtag workshops is going to take people down to that section. So this hashtag is really important. You use the hashtag in front, and then the name of the ID after that. We're going to click OK, and then I'm going to save my changes, and then I'm going to save my page changes. Yeah, here the motorcycle. And then I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. All right. So now at the top of the page, I've got the menu, and then here is the link that I created. And when I click on that, it takes people down. So that is one way to do it. All right. So I mentioned that I have this menu that's up here above. All right. And so I can go into my menus setting, and I actually have a menu created called the resources page menu. All right. And I have some custom links that I've set up, and use the custom links control down here. You put, instead of the URL where you want to send the page, you simply use the pound key, and then you type in uh, the ID and then the link text. Okay. But I've already got one up here created for that, for design workshops. And here's the URL. And it's going to design workshops is the label that's going to be in the menu. And I have one of these for every one of my sections that are going to be on this page, so that when I come back and I want to load this menu for this page here in this section, and I click on design workshops, it's doing the same thing. It takes them down to the section that has the ID labeled workshops. All right. So that's how you create an anchor and an on-page link to send your traffic to some specific section that you might have created on your website. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for joining me.